The aroma of fresh bread, the sight of perfectly decorated pastries, and the sound of satisfied customers, these are the hallmarks of a successful bakery business. But turning passion into profit requires more than just great recipes. Here are the essential steps to transform your bakery concept into a thriving business reality. A thorough business plan is the foundation of your bakery. Be sure to include your bakery's name, verified through the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, executive summary detailing your bakery's purpose and success strategy, funding plans and capital requirements, 5-year financial growth projections, market analysis of industry trends and competitors, and marketing and sales strategies. While this step takes a lot of effort, once you finish it, you will be an expert in your bakery. You can look for your ideal location with a real estate agent or independently. Either way, you'll want to find a location that fills a community need or capitalizes on foot traffic. Consider your target consumer and where they go to zero in on the right place for your bakery. Look for recently vacated spaces, especially former bakeries that might include essential equipment like ovens and refrigerators. This could potentially save you thousands in startup costs. The first crucial decision is determining your bakery's layout, design, and service model. How you set up your space and how you serve your guests will significantly impact community reception and operational success. Here are some layout options. A dine-in bakery offers seating for customers to work, socialize, or relax. The counter-only bakery features a single counter for ordering without seating. A cozy bakery cafe combines baked goods with beverages like coffee and tea. And mobile options include food trucks or pop-up shops at farmers markets and events. Consider your budget, the size of your space, local competition, and target atmosphere. Design your space to create an inviting atmosphere that reflects your passion and story. Your design should include functional kitchen space, proper equipment placement, attractive display cases, counter space, seating if applicable, and restrooms and other essential facilities. Get your licenses and permits. Each city, county, and state has specific regulations for food businesses. Start researching early to avoid delays in your grand opening. Essential bakery permits typically include food handler's license, catering license, health and safety inspection certificates, sales license, and zoning permits. Begin by researching your local requirements online. Your city's government website has the information you need to set up and run a safe and healthy food business in your area. Make sure to create an application timeline. Beyond licenses, you'll need to address tax and employer requirements. Consult with a tax professional or attorney to ensure your bakery is compliant. Apply for an EIN for payroll purposes and file for your DBA. Then set up the proper business banking accounts. Develop your brand and marketing strategy. Here are some questions to ask as you begin to build out your bakery's brand. What colors and overall aesthetic brings my brand to life? What is my bakery's mission, vision, and values? How do I want guests to feel when they interact with our brand? Where does our target customer hang out? What content should I create to drive awareness of my bakery? Visual platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are particularly effective for marketing bakeries because they're a great way to show off the fresh, delicious menu items you're creating. Figure out your financial projections and operating expenses. Typical bakery operating costs include monthly utilities, equipment and appliances, licenses and permits, technology including point-of-sale systems, food costs, and labor, which is typically 30 to 35% of total revenue. The good news is, bakeries typically cost less than full-service restaurants, with startup costs generally ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 depending on location, size, and menu offerings. Opening a bakery doesn't mean you have to dip into your own pocket. Funding options to consider include a business line of credit, SBA microloans, startup business grants, and equipment financing. Once financed, you can start to purchase equipment and begin to set up your space. It's finally time to create your menu, which will be the heart of your bakery. Begin by brainstorming ideas, researching what your competition offers, and identifying ways you could fill gaps in the market. Your menu should balance signature specialties with classic bakery staples. After finalizing your menu, you'll need to purchase and track inventory. Source ingredients and supplies from reputable vendors. Research potential suppliers thoroughly and establish relationships with reliable partners to avoid supply chain disruptions. Investing in inventory management software will make it easy to track shipments, track use and spoilage, and create contingency plans. Invest in a user-friendly POS system that can scale with your growing business. Effective bakery POS systems feature simple interfaces with large buttons for quick transactions, handheld devices for mobile sales, and comprehensive reporting and analytics. Hire your team. Depending on your bakery's service model, scope, and size, you will need to hire, bakery manager, shift leaders, bakers and pastry chefs, baristas, and cashiers. Use industry-specific job sites like culinary agents, jobs on the menu, or poached to find qualified candidates. Careful planning and execution in each of these 13 areas will position your bakery to thrive in today's competitive market. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on restaurant business success, from operational strategies to customer retention techniques that will help your bakery stand out.